minute to look at a phone holder that's going to be sold on Amazon. This is the universal car holder, or it's actually worded as car universal holder. It's kind of a generic. Here's the box. It's really a generic box. Not a lot to say about the holder, and this is all that's inside. This comes in two pieces. It's really simplistic to put together, so you won't have a problem with that. I just want to say about this real quick is this is actually an excellent holder. You're going to have a rubberized padding to protect your phone. You're going to have cupped feet. Now these feet are not adjustable, so it should work for your phone regardless, because I'm pretty sure that all phones charge in the middle on the bottom these days. I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong. I think most phones do, so they've left the little space for you to stick the charger between, so I can really appreciate that. The way this is going to work is you just mash a button in the back. You see that button, you just mash that, and it's going to open up, and then you're going to manually close the holder. Now this arm is going to be aluminum under this rubberized coating, so it's going to be really nice. It's going to be adjustable any way you need it. Just going to loosen this up, and you can adjust this however you feel. Suction cup. It does not have any adhesive on it. Probably a good thing. I have another holder. It has adhesive on it, and that thing sticks like nobody's business. But in the North Carolina heat on my windshield, it melted and created an absolute mess. Now, for my use of this, I've noticed it does not need an adhesive. I've ridden with this in my car, and there's just an adhesive would be overkill on this product, and it would probably just create a mess in your car like the holder did. So this is kind of perfect. There's not a lot to say about this holder. It's sold on Amazon.com by Crazed EG. That's CRAZEDIGI. Look him up. This is definitely a quality product. I'm going to link some footage of me riding this in my car. And before I go, I want to say one more thing about this aluminum arm. This aluminum arm, I'm sure you can see my iPad here. It would hold this iPad easily. This is. I mean, you have to exert some strength to actually adjust this. So, Crazed EG on Amazon.com, and it's going to be car universal holder, or actually, as we would say, a universal car holder. Quality product. Definitely check this out. Thanks for watching. Okay, we're in the car. I've attached the holder to the windshield, and this is going to be kind of wonky here. I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to see if we can actually film this with me driving down the road for a little bit, just so you can get an idea of how stable this is. Once again, we've got the super strong arm and the holder here, which should ratchet shut. I've got my Note 5 in there, and we're going to drive normal for once. As you can see, there's not a lot of shake going on. It is very stable. The position is excellent. I can say the position is absolutely excellent. I usually don't entertain the idea of a phone holder being attached to the windshield, but this seems to be very secure, and I can see myself using this in the future. Get a little speed here, just a little bit, and it's very stable. I'm gonna let me get up here. I'm gonna get on this just a little bit with a little speed, just to give you an idea of how it's gonna fare under what I guess you would call that a load. I guess, I don't know, going faster, because these roads are bumpy here. Here we go. We are doing 60, and we're gonna brake kind of hard because there's a stop sign coming up. And wait a minute. Okay, and awesome. Anyway, that's just a short video, really short video of how it fares in the vehicle. I hope it's not too shaky for you guys. If it is, I apologize. And now I'm gonna go back to the photo room.